Because I really believe designing is like sculpting and is like art. And this process is the same exact process they use in the industry on every design, starting from the very beginning.
Take your tape measure and literally fold it in 4. So you don't have to calculate all the way along where that shoulder is. If you have to peek, we're going to have each one of these layers inside each one of these seams of the actual knit of the garment. Why? Why not just do it all in cotton? As a designer, I prefer to drape my slopers and make it that way and tweak them. It's coming together. It's really coming together. We have almost all of the lining is already done. So now we can start working on the top part of this gown, this portion here and this portion here. And I've decided to make that in the sheer stretch. I pinned it together and tried it on myself. It's only half of a bodice, but you can still get a gauge. We cut this lace on the flat. We measured it, we calculated it, and we cut it out. Not a lot of people talk about this, but this is very, very important to understand what happens when you start making a fitted gown. Extended on the shoulder, which is what you need on any kind of little jacket. So I'm going to give you the cross mark like that. There's some prep work that I have to do for the muslins, and I'm preparing a whole bunch of little squares of muslin for every little section, you know, for the center section, for this princess section. Fitting okay, we have half of the lining, and we have to do the bottom half of the lining, and then the full length of the skirt is going to be next. So I got the lining here from the top bodice down. I'm able to translate my sketches or other people's sketches and make it reality, even to the proportion. I am very pleased because I believe with my original sketch that we have the proportion exactly like it should be.